From the highest peaks to the deepest forests, nature reveals its wonders in ways unseen by the human eye. With the power of drones, we soar above the landscapes, capturing the untamed beauty of our planet. Watch as the wilderness unfolds. Majestic eagles glide effortlessly through the sky, while herds of elephants roam freely across vast plains. Introducing Linkon Matwaya, a visionary drone pilot, capturing nature's most intimate moments from the skies. With precision, skill, and an unwavering respect for the wild, Linkon navigates the skies, uncovering the untold stories of Earth's most magnificent creatures. From the delicate flutter of wings to the powerful stride of a lion, Linkon's lens reveals the soul of nature like never before. Every moment, every movement, captured from a perspective that brings us closer to the wild heart of the Earth. From the forests, where the trees stretch toward the heavens, to the deserts, where survival is an art form, this is nature in its purest, most breathtaking form. Join Linkon Matwaya in Through the Eyes of the Sky as he captures the untamed beauty of the world, one flight at a time.